Good morning, students. Today now we'll discuss about this recursion in PLSQL. Today we have seen this recursion of the function, nothing but what function is a subprogram that can perform a coherent task. And we are having call by value, call by reference, and recursion. Function call and recursion. So a function can call another function. That the thing we have seen. A subprogram can be called by another subprogram. But a function or a subprogram can call by itself. It is called as recursion. The ability to call by itself is known as recursion. Now here to illustrate the concept of this one, how to find out n r factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. That means what? N into n minus 1 factorial into n minus 5. Like that we will go for this one. Right. So before going to this one, in recursion nothing but what? A function can call by itself. Right? The ability to call a function by itself. Now I will execute the program for your easy to work. I already copied. So see, declare number factorial number. Then I am taking a function fact of x number. So function I am taking is a keyword for declaration of the function in PLSQL, and fact is the function name, and x number is the input number. Then return number is f number is a declaration of the variable, another variable that I am taking, begin. If x equal to 0, if x value and whatever the value we are passing, that value is equal to 0, then f colon equal to 1. Else f colon equal to x into fact of x minus 1. The same logic whatever we had written in the C and C++, the same logic here also for recursion. So fact of x minus 1, that means we are passing a 5 minus 1, 4. Again this function go to 4, x equal to 4. Then performing this action, then 4 minus 1. Again it go for the x number, nothing but what? Now x value is what? 3. Then again it go for the calculations until it become as a 0. If 0, f colon equal to 1, 1 is returned to 1 factorial. Then 1 factorial, after the calculation of the 1 factorial, go for the 2 factorial. After the calculation of the 2 factorial, then go for the 3 factorial. So after the 3 factorial calculation, it go for the 4 factorial. Like that it will go back, right? So else f colon equal to x into fact of x minus 1, and if return f begin number colon equal to how much I given 6, factorial colon equal to fact of number. So fact is a function. What that I am passing? What is the number I am passing? 6. So now x equal to how much? It is 6. First time it is 6. So then check this one. 6 equal to 0? No. Condition is false. False means it come to else statement. F colon equal to 6 into fact of x minus 1. So 1 minute. So then here what is that? 6 into fact of 6 minus 1. That means what? It go for 5. Now 5 will goes to where? It goes to x number. Now x equal to how much? 5. Then is f number begin x equal to 0. What is the x value? It is 5. 5 equal to 0. Condition is false. Then go for f colon equal to x into fact of x y and 1. F colon equal to, that means f equal to 5 into fact of 5 minus 1. That means 4. Again go for where? We go for x. Now x equal to how much? 4. Previously first time it is 6, second time it is 5, and third time it is 4. 4 equal to 0? False. False means f colon equal to 4 into fact of 4 minus 1. Now this time how much it is? 3. Again go for x equal to 3, then 3 equal to 0, condition is false. Again go for the condition f colon equal to 3 into fact of 3 minus 1. It becomes as what? 2. 2 goes to where? It goes to x. Now x equal to how much? 2. 2 equal to 0, condition is false. False means what? F colon equal to x into factor of x minus 1. So f equal to x value is how much? 2. 2 into factor of 2 minus 1. That means what? 1. Right? So 1 x equal to how much? It is 1. 1 equal to 0. False. False means f colon equal to 1 into factor of 1 minus 1. Now it is 0. 0 means what? X equal to 0. Condition is true. True means f equal to 1. That means in this place it need to replace with how much? 1. So f equal to how much you got? That you got as what? 1. 1 into 1? 1. So this 1 need to return. This 1 need to return 2 in this place. From where it is called. Right? In this place what do you need to return? 1. So 2 into 1 equal to how much it is? 2. Now this 2 need to return in this place. What is it? Factor of 3 minus 1. Because it is the caller. This is the caller. So factor of 3 minus 1. Instead of this one we need to return how much? 2. That is equal to how much it is? Equal to 6. Now 6 need to return in this place of 4 minus 1. Factor of 4 minus 1, how much it need to return? 6. 4 into 6, that is equal to 24. Now this 24 need to return. Factor of 5 minus 1. How much you need to return? 24. That is equal to how much it is? 120. Now this 120 need to return to factor of 6 minus 1. That means how much it is? 120. That is equal to how much it is? 720. Now this 720 need to return in this factorial. Now print the factorial. Now observe whether this program will be executed or not. Execute. Your procedure executed, but you didn't get an output. Why? Because here we need to give a set server output on. Set server output on. Semicolon. Execute. Factorial of 6 is how much? It is 720. Okay. So this is the way we can go for recursion function. The ability to call by itself. A function can call by itself is known as recursion. Right? Just copy the program and do the practice. Okay. Just I will give the 2 minutes of time to complete this one. So check it once. Set server output on. Declare number factorial number. Function factor of x number. Return number is f number. So what is that return is how much? What is the returning value? F number. Begin. If x equal to 0, then if x equal to 0, then f colon equal to 1, else f colon equal to x into factor of x minus 1. And if return f value, that f value is going to store in factorial. Okay. Factor of number dbms underscore output number of total is how much? So 6 of is 720. Okay. So this is the program for recursion function. What is the recursion? When a subprogram call itself, it is referred to as a recursive call, and the process is known as recursion. Okay. The ability to call by itself. A function can call by itself is known as what? Recursion. Okay. So do the practice. Thank you.